kum shibanta banyale ban kenteu ya ka kamele kai khamtam ban aya ka rensan ni kisamla bakin sain doria la ka sap ka phong hakasngi balang jong ka tayo la pli pa ba ya ka Nongkseh indoor stadium ka balate ha ka jinglut jingsep ka bakon shiklor saupaway lak tengka
Ya kani ke Indo Stadium Nongkseh la pledu Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum kongsan rengkat ke jingan lang Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ubak Syakliar Warjri kum sembut kongsan ke Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kakya i Dr. Amprin Lingdo UMLA Berim Kameliam ubak Hamlet Sondoling ke Director Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ikong Isa Wanda lalu urang ba asnong karat saukur Nongkseh ba AL Thangkeu Presiden ke Nongkseh Sports Social and Cultural Club ba Daniel M Thangkeu bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakiran ke jingelang Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ulaong ba ar nilai senam mencua rengkat bat ubak Hamlet Sondoling ulabu i mau nong rem bantai ke Indo Stadium Nongkseh bat menta udap da ke jing sngu tenat ban yo Plie ya ke Indo Stadium. Ulang bagi sorkar kam syem latai tang ya ke Indo Stadium hendai ke sorkar kapai kamat ciki samla bagi niok ban penon kam kumta ke jingtai ke Indo Stadium kan long kebelanda lada omla ban penon kam pat eka hakil tiga badai. Dah ke penlong ik program boper kum kijing ai jing hikai ki samla ha ke badai ban niok ki skim sorkar ban niok kam yo jam mat kibai. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bagi sorkar man la kesnem kalap lut nyau hajar kelur tengka hadok pra hajar kelur tengka ha ke ban snai ki jingtai bat ban penbiang ki jing don kam bat ha gini kisan snem kalong saupo hajar kelur tengka nrei haswa kesnem ar hajar khat pra ke jing penduduk ke sorkar kalong tang ar hajar sanspa nilai hajar kelur tengka. Hagini kesniu Menteri Rangba ulas samru ikijing ajing erap shimet naladie cekikat to kani ginong snong ka Nongkseh bat ula benaru ban bahar point iwei klur tengka ban snai ke stadium bat ka Madanel akai Nongkseh bat ban kentiono ka sub center sha ka CHC bat an sachem kyaru yakiwe imat jingdawa.
We have a huge problem when it comes to unemployment. We have a huge problem when it comes to drug abuse. We have a huge problem when it comes to other issues related to the youth in different age groups. And hence, as a government, we try to do what we can to provide the facilities so that we can help the youth of our state move in the right direction. The reason I'm telling you this is because this building is meaningless if the activities and the youth and all of you don't use it for the right thing. I would like to see that we have skill programs happening here. I would like to see that we have sports programs happening out here. I would like to see music programs taking place out here. I would like to see job creation programs. We have programs like CM Inaugurated program where we are supporting entrepreneurs to start their own businesses. I would like to see this place become active and guide the youth on how you could get different schemes of the government. So my message to you today is that while we are doing all this work, this is meaningless until unless the community and the society and we all put our heart and soul and effort into really making a difference for our youth. And we can't do it alone. We finish this inauguration program and we will leave. But after that, the real work starts. And hence I do hope that in the coming days, this place could be an example to the rest of the city and the rest of the state to show how a community can come together with the support of the government and working with the youth. We can transform, create opportunities and lead our youth into the right direction.